Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable capture live photos on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to enable capture live motion photos, just open the camera app. Now from here just tap on this icon and enable live motion photos, just like that. Now from here, if you capture the photo of an object, now from here, just go to the gallery app. Now from here, if you tap and hold on the image, you can see it recorded a short video. And this is how you can enable capture live photos on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.